How to get animated profile picture on Steam. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to get an animated profile picture on Steam. So without further ado, let us begin. So when I go to my profile right here on Steam and then just click on edit my profile, go to avatar, and then you will see here I have a lot of available animated avatars right here. So to find these animated avatars, what you want to do is just go to store right here and then just go to point shop. And then after that, from here you can now find your animated avatars. So what you want to do is just go to profile right here and just go to avatars. And then from here you will have a vast selection of animated avatars that you could choose. So you can also search some right here in the search bar. And then they also have some other animated stuff like animated borders, animated backgrounds, and a lot more. So by the way, in buying your animated avatar, you will need points right here. So you earn Steam points just by buying games. So if you have a lot of games on Steam, if you have a lot of games that you bought on Steam, it is for sure that you also have a lot of Steam points or points on Steam. So you could just buy these avatars right here by using your points on Steam. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to get animated profile pictures in Steam.